Welcome to Surprise the Toys.
That is cool. Car wash, man.
Yeah, built a new one.
You take your hand. Wow, this is the brand new car wash. Getting covered in.
That's funny. Those are flappers.
Flappers.
Yeah, look a little bit flappers.
Yeah.
What those flappers do?
Clean us. They clean everything. They clean it all. Flippies. I feel clean already, man. I feel clean as a whistle. I feel like a whistle clean. I bet this gets real clean. Uh-oh, here comes the dryer. Don't put your window down. Don't put your window down. Unlock the window. Talk about dust. I say Mama did all right, man. This might be exquisite. I'll say we're pretty clean, man.
Yeah, we see clean.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was a cold blower.
I wonder if we made a YouTube
Yeah, the
channel.
blow dryers got my eye sleepy.
They did?
Yeah.
Sleepy eye. Got the old sleepy eye. Let's clean this car like no other has ever cleaned a car before. Hey, good job, Mom. Here we are, y'all. Say hello.
Hi, everyone.
Say good luck with your car wash, people.
Good luck with your car wash, people.
Check us out on our next video. Thank you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, okay? Thank you.